Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to talk about Microsoft Semantic kernel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the new plugin called BigMap plugin. This plugin used to find the address information based on our suggestion and city. Suggest means if you need find some coffee shop or restaurant information, you can provide this suggestion like coffee shop and you have to provide the city name. So based on that, it will search the information provided, all the details. To use this feature, first you need BigMap key. For that, you have to create in Azure portal using this Azure Map account. Once you created this one, the authentication page, you can find the key. The next step, you have to install the NuGet package. This package I have been created. This is available in a NuGet server. So you can search this kernel plugin web BigMap and make sure you have to install the latest pre version, the 5. So go to our main program. Here I have created the kernel object. So here I am going to add the plugin. This plugin has a class called suggestion address plugin. Suggestion address plugin. Here I am creating the object for this one. Suggestion address plugin. New of. The first argument we have to pass the BigMap key. I have defined my key in my config file. Config.bigmap key. The second argument is a default arguments. Default is a false. You can pass true. If you need latitude and longitude information you need, you have to pass this parameter true. Otherwise, you can just leave it as. So you can get only the address information. At the moment, I go with the default things. So I don't need to pass the true argument. Once you created this BigMap plugin, you have to add to the kernel. So builder dot plugin dot add from object. Here I am passing my plugin suggestion address plugin object. The name of the plugin is suggestion address plugin. Here we have created our plugin. So the next step, here I create the kernel function. So create kernel function where search kernel function equal to kernel dot plugin dot get function. So first argument plugin name is suggestion address plugin. The second argument function name is search suggestion. This is a function. So the next step, we are going to invoke this function. Call the function where result equal to await kernel dot invoke async. Here we have to pass the kernel function, search kernel function. Second is a kernel argument. So we have to pass the parameter to this function. This function has two parameters, one for suggestion and another one for the city. So here I am passing the kernel arguments, suggestion. I need coffee shop information, so I just pass coffee only here. The next city like Tanjavur. That's it. Finally, we print the result. Result.get value. Here we pass a string. So we run this application and see the result. Here we get the result. All the coffee shop related information. The address is came. We can verify this also. I just take one address and go to the BigMap and search this address. Copy, go to BigMap. Here I search the address. So this is a coffee shop address information. I hope you can understand how to use this plugin. In our next video, we add this plugin into our planners. So in the planner, we just send the information and we get all the details about coffee shop or other suggestion places. Thanks to all.